Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Maya. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this amazing grungy alien-esque purple blue metallic duochrome chromatic, I don't know, whatever word you want to use, look. I intended for the look to be a lot more purple and less blue and less dark than this, but this is how it turned out. I really liked it. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, stay tuned. So let's do what I came to do, which is my makeup. I like my new background, my new setup. Try a little something different, you know, to get that nice gradient effect. They use like lights, so I tried that. I bought some colored lights too, like purple, a purple light and a red light. I can't seem to find anything. Like, where's my stuff? But they're not very bright, so I think I'm gonna have to get a different brand of light or just brighter lights in Thru. So, starting off with my eyebrows, per usual. I'm going to use the Urban Decay Primer Potion. What's today? November 7th or 8th or something like that. Are you guys ready for Thanksgiving? Yeah! You know, I am. The year just goes by so fast. We'll see where life takes me. But yeah, so I like to put primers all over my eyelid and they run it through my eyebrows. L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer Pencil in the shade Brunette. And we're going to fill in our eyebrows. My eyebrows are so unruly. Unruly. Why are you so unruly? On to eye makeup. Juvia's Place palette. I'm just gonna wing it. I don't have any design in mind. I need to zoom in, don't I? So you can see the eyes, huh? Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to go and see. Okay, see the difference from this more fluffy blending brush to this more concentrated, shorter blending brush. I'm gonna look hella cross-eyed just then. So I'm using this one now, and I'm going to go into the shade Ivy. My hand is starting to cramp. That's all the blending I'm doing. This is definitely a look where you could use tape and it'll make it a lot easier. I'm gonna go into what's in your wallet? I'm actually going to use foundation. Makeup wipes though, they're so annoying because they get dust everywhere. Color correct. And onto foundation. I like to use the stick first. I'm not like a perfect concealer applier. I just like put it. Oh honey, just slap it and blend it out. I like to use my hands for real. Now let's set Midnight Banana Powder. Banana. I don't really care what color powder I use to set my base. I like to use the white powders, like the pinky white powders, to set my lip. Alright, let's finish the eyes, shall we? Got the lashes on. It looks good. I really like that glitter. Like it was a pretty cool idea. So now I'm gonna add a little bit more glitter. I'm gonna go back into the Magic Mini palette. I'm gonna use one of these colors in my inner corner. Baby. Thought it would help to use the brush, but I think I'm gonna use my hand. pretty. Put it right over that glitter, honey. Right over the glitter. That's pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. That contour really brings your face to life. It really does. Brings back to life, back to reality. This Revlon color, it's bold blue midnight. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, of course, and subscribe to my channel. Also, follow me on Instagram. I do shortened versions of this look on IG. Thank you so much for your time, and bye for now. Baby, can't you see I'm calling a guy like you should wear a woman. It's dangerous, and I'm falling.